skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today we are back with the second set of fun toe moves, toe pick maneuvers you can do out on the ice. If you missed it, I posted the first half last week with some simpler toe pick maneuvers, little choreographic sequences. This was requested by Denise P, who wanted some fun toe moves, so shout out to you, Denise. All right, so today is the second half. We're going to do a couple slightly more challenging toe maneuvers. You should be able to do these, okay? These are not impossible. So the first one we're going to do is called the yellow brick road step. If you can imagine Dorothy and the Wizard of Oz skipping down the yellow brick road, that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so you want to think about this move like an inverted triangle, okay? So our feet are working like a triangle. So the first step is going to hit the back of that triangle. One, so you're crossing behind yourself, okay? That's the back tip of the triangle. Okay, so one, then we're going to do a little hop to the other tip of the triangle, and then you're going to skate onto the third. So we have an inverted triangle. Toe, toe, glide. So we have the first half. 1, 2, 3. Now we've got to do it on the other foot as well. So it'll alternate back and forth. So we're gliding on the right, and you're going to stick your left toe in the ice, crisscross behind you, hop to your right, and then glide to your left. Okay? 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's connect those together. So we have toe pick, hop, toe pick, glide, toe pick, hop, toe pick, glide. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You could just imagine Dorothy on that yellow brick road, skipping along with her companions. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's the yellow brick road step. So that yellow brick road step, I actually learned for the first time when I was in an ice show. I used to be a show skater, performed all over, and they put this in to a performance, and it was a whole little circle of us doing it in a tight little circle. And then we went right off stage, and at the edge of the stage was no longer ice. We had to go full speed right off the stage and then run because we had so much momentum. And the number of times we tripped and fell off the stage was hilarious. There'd be little piles of skaters on the side as their momentum from the yellow brick road carried them right off the stage onto the ground. It was I still have flashbacks. Okay, so we can do a lot of different things with our hands. You want to try to, again, make this light with your toes so it's not really heavy. So again, some speed is helpful. I like to just do a little presentation with my hands with each one. So we go present and out on one, down on the other. Out on one, down on the other. Or maybe you're doing something that has more of a Spanish flair, and you could do your hand up, or there's a lot of, maybe you're a chimney sweep, your hands can change. So the feet you can do the same feet and change your hands and give it all different styles. For our next toe move for the day, we're going to do a waltz jump cross. This is sometimes called a waltz toe cross. There's a number of different things people will do, but you need to have a waltz jump for this, so make sure you know how to do at least a little waltz jump. Now this waltz jump is not going to have a nice proper check out, okay? So we're actually going to land with our feet crossed. Waltz jump, hit the toe, and then cross, okay? So waltz jump, it's usually a kind of small waltz jump, toe, cross. So that's just half of the move. We're gonna do the waltz jump cross with a little twirly toe run at the end. Okay, so the first half is waltz jump cross. Then I'm gonna take my right foot, which is currently tucked underneath, it's crossed in the back, and I'm gonna stick it in the ice behind me, and I'm going to do a little chaîné turn. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to go back to that crossed position. Okay, so if you learned a chaîné turn from the video last time, we're just doing one of these. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, cross. Okay, so it's 3 little toe runs after the waltz jump. Waltz, jump, cross, reach back with the right, left, right, cross that left back over again. Now, I like the cross. You don't have to do the cross at the end, but again, I feel like it kind of grounds you into the ice. So if your toes are going, if you're going a little crazy with your toe picks, crossing your feet gives you a chance to breathe, settle yourself before you move on. Okay? So we have waltz, jump, cross, 1, 2, 3, cross. Okay, so between last week and this week, you have quite a few fun little toe maneuvers you can work on. Denise, I hope you're happy. All right, I'm going to try to string them all together for you. All right, skaters, now you have a whole slew of fun toe moves from last week and this week that you can practice. Of course, I love to see all your practice happening on Instagram, so make sure you tag me at Skating Coach Julia so I can see your progress. If you enjoyed this video, please do give us that thumbs up, and I look forward to reading all your comments in the section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell down in the corner so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.